Hello friends. So there was such a case when the headlight turned on while the engine was running, then the engine turned off. It means the car is driving down the road in the evening and you turn on the headlight to illuminate the road, and every time you do that, the car engine shuts off. It means that the method was as follows. Here on the headlights there is such a relay. A permanent plug. When it melts or fails, this can cause a contact block in the electric control unit, which is responsible for the operating of the headlights. Signal light switches. That's all, friend. If you came across such a situation, then you know that you need to change the plug. That's all, guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.